In today's video, we are going to see how to prevent back pain. Back pain is a most common condition nowadays. From young people to old age people, everybody is sooner or later suffering with the back pain. Even children are also nowadays suffering with the back pain. So we'll see how you can prevent the back pain. For that, you should understand what is the cause of back pain. So most of the back pains, they are mechanical in nature. That means they are causing due to improper posture. You are not sitting properly, your posture is not properly, your back is not in a proper place, that can give you a back pain. So whenever you are sitting in front of your mobile computers or to watch a TV, make sure that your back is well supported. To keep your back well supported, you can put one pillow behind your back so that your whole spine is supported. So this can also help you to prevent back pain. Secondly, if you start with the proper sitting, and then when eventually you will indulge in some activity, you will not be able to maintain that proper sitting. So what you can do for that is, do not sit in one place for more than an hour. So in between, if you want to sit for like 2-3 hours or more than that, what you can do is, in every hour you can just stand up and take one round and get back to your seat and get back to your work. So sitting, if you want to sit have a long time, what you can do is just cut those sitting hours into one hour, and in every 1 hour you will just stand up, take one small round, and then come back to your sit and get back to your work. That will prevent improper posture in your back. That will prevent burden in your back muscles, and eventually it will prevent back pain. Secondly, to prevent back pain, it is very much important for you to have your core muscle strengthened. So whatever activities you are doing, you have to make sure that some activities, some exercise you should add in your lifestyle, which will strengthen your core muscles. So you can start doing those exercises. They are very easy and they are not time consuming. It will take not more than 10 minutes every day. So you can add those exercises. It will also prevent back pain in long run. Third thing, you should avoid bending forward. Whenever you need to bend forward, what you can do is, just rather than bending from your back, you just can bend your knees and get anything from the floor. To avoid bending, one thing you can do is, whatever things you are requiring for like daily routine, you can keep all those things on a heighted shelves or something, and the things which are not required often can be kept down, so that you will prevent bending forward. Bending forward gives extra pressure on your back muscles and in your spine, that can lead to back pain in long run. So whenever it is possible, avoid bending forward. If there are things where you cannot avoid bending, then just bend down from your knees. These three things are very much important if you want to prevent your back pain. In upcoming videos, we'll be seeing how to strengthen your core muscles and how to deal with the back pain if you're already suffering with it. These all conditions, these all exercises can be done with by anyone without any health issues. One more thing you can do to prevent back pain is, you can just start doing some little bit exercises whenever you are sitting. These exercises can be a normal neck movement, up, down, sideways turning. These all neck movement, they can be done 5 repetitions. In between your work can be done. Even this will help you to release your muscles and prevent your back pain. But make sure that you do not have any cervical problem, any middle ear problem when you are doing these neck movements, or any vertigo problem. If you do not have any of these problems, you can definitely go ahead with these exercises. If you have any of the problems, then you can just stick to the 3 points which I have told you. This will definitely prevent your back pain. In upcoming videos, we'll be seeing more exercises for core muscles and back muscles to deal with your back pain if you have one, and we will also see strengthening exercises for your back pain.